Hello and welcome to Alice's Garden to Plate. I help viewers who are gardeners that love to cook utilize their entire harvest year round by garden planning, preserving methods, and recipes. If that interests you, like and subscribe. Occasionally you will see my supervisor, Sally. She's always watching in the background, make sure there's some quality assurance around here. In today's episode, I'm going to give you my top 4 recommendations to getting a better canning experience. There are some really simple things you can do to ensure a better canning experience and your most precious produce comes through in your canning. My first thing I always start off with is a fruit and produce wash. Even my herbs go through this. The reason is it's going to remove all off flavors. Nature leaves behind things such as bugs and other things, and if we use even a plant-based pesticide, we want all of that removed. The other thing that I like to use is Star San for sanitation. It's a little different. It is a surface sanitation and removes it all off the glass. I make sure to wash my glassware, and then I do a dip with the water and Star San. The sink will be nice and clean, and then I will make sure to use this electric teapot and fill the water and make sure it is 180 degrees because that glassware is hot enough per ball to use before going into the water bath canner. So the other thing that's awesome about the teapot is I get it to boiling, because sometimes when you're in the middle of doing a bunch of things while you're canning, which occurs, your canner's going for a while and you start going down in the water. So if it's the same exact temperature as the canner, you can top it off. That's right. My other recommendation is use stainless steel. It is rated safe for canning, and you can go a little bit hotter and more of an even consistency within the pot. I was doing ceramic pots for a while, and I noticed I didn't get the full set I wanted in jams, and I didn't get what I wanted in temperature enough to fully seal. When you can go up to a medium high and make sure it's cranking to a rolling hot boil that can't be broken, you can do that in a stainless steel. And if you keep it moving, it's easy to clean off, so win-win. I do appreciate you viewing today. If you liked today's episode, click that like button so therefore the algorithm will work in your favor. By subscribing to the channel, you will be notified of new content. Thank you very much for viewing.